So here we are in week 7, and we're getting ready to paint. We'll be painting within the next 24 hours. We've spot primed the hood. We've got all the fenders, and then there's some other parts sitting around here that will get painted. And this will all be ready to go. And the only thing we have left to paint is the bed. And then in the other barn here, we've been, again, working on wiring. The motor's running, and working on wiring in the cooling system. So gas tank is full, all the gauges are working. So we've got fuel pressure, volts, oil, temp, the tach's working. It's still kind of a mess, all right? This is just a mock-up wiring harness just to assure that everything's working. And what we're getting ready to do right now is put in a thermostat. I had a little bit of to me it was an overheating issue. I used a 185 thermostat, so we're replacing that. And we've got this 195. Thermostat. You can kind of see there. I have drilled that little 1/8 hole there. And the purpose of that hole, I saw a guy online talk about it on his 396. That allows air to escape. So it really shouldn't affect temperature too much, but it's supposed to resolve overheating issues. So again, this is all just we'll get it running. We'll see what the temperature gauge says this time with this 195 in place. Before, when I started it up, I just had distilled water in there. Now I've got coolant added to it. Everything else is kind of ready to go. So that's where we're at right now. So it's a sunny Sunday, and we have applied the top coat to all the little exterior and some interior pieces. This is the front valance. Here's the grill. Typically, this grill is supposed to be like white, but I'm not doing that. Going kind of a Pro Street look, so it's all going to be the same solid glacier color. There'll be some touch-ups we got to do when it's all on the truck, but getting the top coat on this stuff and letting it cure up was important. We got a bit more going on the truck part of it. So brought in a big fan to help with cooling to simulate. Gauges are wired up with the right resistance. That oil pressure sender right there is the mega custom oil pressure sender. There is the sand temp sender, and over there is the water temperature sender for a mega custom. And I'll get Denise to turn the key. Start up for a minute. She been out there helping get everything prepared for paint. I'll give you we're at, week 7.